Church muna tayo. Cathedral. City of Baguio.
Hi. Sorry.
Lord, graciously hear us.
For all catechists, may they continue to dedicate their lives to the mission of Christ as teachers and witnesses. Relate to you all their hopes and needs, we pray.
Lord, graciously hear us.
For the sick, the marginalized, the victims of violence and